to financial independence. These are the 4 beginning steps to start the path to financial independence. Step 1. Set a goal. Set a goal for financial independence with the 4% rule. The 4% rule is a quick tool how to figure out how much you need to save. Do 2 things. Find out how much you spend yearly. This includes everything that you might possibly spend in a year, including rent, utilities, groceries, gas, etc. Calculate the entire annual amount. Multiply it by 25. Or however many years you aim to retire for. This will give you enough expenses to withdraw 4% for years and years to come. Use online calculators to help with the calculation to come with an appropriate savings rate that works for you. Plan exactly how much out of each paycheck to save. Start with a savings goal to get you to the target. As an example, set a goal of 50% of paycheck to savings. Start to think about how to change your lifestyle. Step 2. Choose your FIRE lifestyle. FIRE stands for financial independence, retire early. There are 2 directions you can go with financial independence, what is referred to as lean FIRE and fat FIRE. Both have the same goal of FIRE, however, different about how much you spend, save, and quality of life chosen. Lean FIRE. Lean FIRE is often referenced as adopting a frugal lifestyle and sacrificing certain luxuries like cars and/or accommodations of location of where you live. Fat FIRE. Fat FIRE is often referenced as living a more high-class lifestyle, but can take longer to achieve. This FIRE includes more luxuries and nicer lifestyle. Step 3. Earn more income. Earning more income allows you to increase savings, pay down debts, and speed up goals for financial freedom. Earning more and increasing your income is key to the speed at which you achieve FIRE. Many experts recommend starting a side hustle to make more money. Think about the time required, services and skills you can perform, your personality and schedule. Self-awareness is key to the success as well as financial independence. Step 4. Cut costs. Preparing a budget. Enough. Think about cutting costs and austerity. Ask yourself, how can I limit my spending in a meaningful way? Be thoughtful of every penny or dollar spent, as these are your tools for generating freedom and future income. Housing, transportation and travel expenses are typically some of the larger expenses in a family budget. The larger the expenses, typically, the more room to cut costs. Think about each dollar as a piece of time. Increase your savings rate over time. Invest your savings in money not spent. We are happy you joined us for this video and hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe to get more information about financial independence.